This is a short video about installing Quick Bandit, the license plate mount for Tesla Model Y. So I didn't want to drill holes into the bumper of newly purchased Tesla Model Y. So while I was looking for alternatives, I came across Quick Bandit. So this is a license plate mount which does not require drilling holes into the bumper. And this is a short video about installing Quick Bandit. I hope you enjoy this. It's a Quick Bandit license plate mount. It's considered $150. I don't think it's worth $150. I guess everything Tesla is super expensive. The build is like pretty sturdy. Feels like a firm plastic, but it's pretty good. This you can push up, then pull down, push up, pull down. Okay. This is the split lock washer. I should have put this first and then the flat washer. Right now it just has the flat washer. This is what it looks like from the side.